Hello dear students, welcome to Maths World of AP. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.4, question number 3. Express the following in P by Q form, in which first question is 0.6. On 6 you have a bar, which means 6 is a repeating part, that is 0.666. So let us take that as x. Then there is only one number in the repeating part, so we multiply our x with 10. After the multiplication, we are going to get 10x is equal to 10 into 0.66 so on. So which will give you 10x is equal to 6.66. One place will be shifted before the decimal point. Now subtract your x from 10x. That is 10x minus x is 9x. 6.66 minus 0.666 is 6.00, which is x is equal to 6 by 9. When we simplify this, we will get x is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the P by Q form of 0.6. That is the first question of your exercise. Now move on to the second question, 0.47. On 7 you have bar, which means 7 is only the repeating part. 4 is not the repeating part. So we can write the expansion of this as 0.4777 so on. Like that we can write down the expansion of our given decimal number. Let us take the given decimal number as x. X is equal to 0.477. Hence there is only repeating number. As we did in the last question, here also we are going to multiply x with 10. So after the multiplication, we are going to get 10x is equal to 10 into 0.4777 so on. Okay. So next step what we are going to do is, after multiplication we will get 10x is equal to 4.777. So again we repeat the same process. Subtract x from 10x. 10x minus x is equal to 4.777 minus 0.4777. So after the subtraction, 10x minus x will become 9x, and when we subtract these two numbers, we are going to get 4.3 as the answer, which is 9x is equal to 4.3. Okay. Next step is keeping x in one side and shifting this 9 to other side of our equation. So which will become 4.3 divided by 9, as you can see in the screen. Okay. But when we shifted, for the value of x, we are getting 4.3 in the numerator. We are getting decimal number in the numerator, isn't it? So that decimal point has to be cancelled. So to cancel that decimal point, what we are going to do is, we will divide 4.3 from 10, because there is only one number after the decimal point. That's why we are dividing it from 10. So if you have two numbers after the point, you can divide from 100. If you have three numbers, you can divide from 1000. So on it will continue. So here there is only one number. That's why we are dividing it from 10. 4.3 divided by 9 into 10. So which will give us 43 divided by 90. So that is how we will get the P by Q form of the decimal expansion, where you are having repeating and non-repeating numbers both. Hope you understood.